High-paying jobs were once considered the safest path in modern society. Doctors, lawyers, consultants, analysts, marketers, and financial professionals invested years of their lives building expertise under the assumption that education, credentials, and experience would protect them from disruption. For a long time, that belief was justified. Career paths were stable, specialization was rewarded, and experience created long-term security. People planned their futures around this assumption, believing it would hold for decades. That assumption is now breaking down. Artificial intelligence is not replacing low-skilled labor first, as many people expected. Instead, it is quietly moving into high-paying, white-collar roles that were once considered immune to automation. And most people are not paying attention because the change does not arrive with announcements or warnings. It arrives through small adjustments to workflows, software upgrades, and efficiency improvements that seem harmless at first. In the past, automation focused primarily on physical and repetitive tasks. Factory work, assembly lines, warehouses, and manufacturing were the first to change. These shifts were visible, gradual, and easy to understand. Machines replaced manual labor, and the impact was obvious to everyone involved. What is happening now is fundamentally different. Artificial intelligence is moving into roles that depend on thinking, analysis, communication, judgment, and decision-making. The very skills people believed made them irreplaceable are now being replicated, assisted, or replaced by software. This shift is not driven by curiosity or technological novelty. It is driven by economics. AI systems are faster than humans. They work continuously, and they do not experience fatigue. They do not take vacations, sick days, or breaks, and they do not require long-term compensation packages, benefits, or promotions. From a business perspective, the comparison becomes impossible to ignore. A single artificial intelligence system can analyze massive amounts of data, generate detailed reports, write content, respond to customers, and optimize performance at the same time. Tasks that once required entire teams can now be handled by software operating around the clock with consistent output and predictable costs. Marketing is already being transformed by this shift. AI tools generate advertising copy, analyze campaign performance, test variations, create visuals, and adjust strategies in real time. Companies that once relied on large marketing departments are reducing headcount and replacing complex workflows with automated systems that scale instantly. Finance is following the same path. Artificial intelligence systems already evaluate risk, detect fraud, analyze markets, and generate forecasts faster than human analysts. In many cases, they are also more accurate, more consistent, and less influenced by emotion or bias. Legal work is changing as well. AI can now review contracts, search case law, summarize documents, and identify risks in minutes. Work that once took junior lawyers weeks can now be completed almost instantly. This is not a future prediction, it is already happening. Companies adopt artificial intelligence for one simple reason: it reduces costs while increasing efficiency. In competitive industries, businesses that fail to adopt AI quickly lose ground, while those that adopt it early gain a powerful advantage. Once one company automates a role, competitors are forced to follow, not because they want to, but because they must. This is how disruption spreads quietly, systematically, and often without warning. What makes this shift especially difficult to notice is that it rarely feels dramatic in the moment. There is no single announcement that a role has been replaced. Instead, responsibilities are slowly redistributed, tools are quietly introduced, and expectations are subtly adjusted. One task becomes automated, then another, until the role itself is fundamentally different from what it once was. For many professionals, this creates confusion rather than clarity. They are still employed, still busy, and still producing results, yet their leverage is slowly decreasing. The work that once justified their salary is now assisted, accelerated, or partially replaced by software. Over time, this changes how value is measured inside organizations. When productivity increases without a proportional increase in cost, businesses naturally ask difficult questions. If one person supported by AI can do the work of several people, the economic incentive becomes impossible to ignore. This is not driven by greed or malice, it is driven by competition. As these systems become more capable, the gap between those who understand how to work with them and those who do not continues to widen. And that gap does not close on its own. It compounds quietly, shaping careers long before the consequences become obvious. The most dangerous part of this transition is not job loss itself. It is the false sense of security that exists before the change becomes obvious. Many professionals believe their experience will protect them, that advanced degrees will shield them, or that their role is too complex and nuanced to be automated. This belief is understandable, but history shows that it rarely holds. Technology almost never removes jobs overnight. Instead, it changes them gradually. Tasks are adjusted, responsibilities are reduced, expectations shift. At first, the role still exists, but it no longer looks the same. Over time, the human contribution becomes smaller, more standardized, and easier to replace. Then, suddenly, the position disappears or is redefined entirely. Artificial intelligence does not replace entire professions at once. It replaces individual tasks. First, the repetitive parts, then the analytical parts, then the creative and strategic components. Each step reduces the amount of human input required to produce the same output. Over time, one person using artificial intelligence effectively can outperform several people who are not. This does not happen because they work harder, but because they work with leverage. AI multiplies speed, consistency, and scale in a way that individual effort cannot match. This shift changes how companies make hiring decisions. Employers begin to care less about how many years of experience someone has and more about how efficiently that person can work with intelligent systems. The focus moves away from credentials and toward output. Those who know how to direct, supervise, and optimize AI gain leverage. They become system managers rather than task performers. They oversee processes instead of executing every step manually. Those who compete directly against automation lose leverage because their output becomes easier to replicate and cheaper to replace. This creates a growing divide in the workforce. On one side are people who view artificial intelligence as a threat and resist adapting to it. On the other are those who treat it as a tool and integrate it into their work. The difference between these two groups compounds over time. People who adapt early gain speed, confidence, and flexibility. They become harder to replace, not because they are irreplaceable, but because they control systems that scale beyond individual effort. People who resist adaptation become increasingly vulnerable, not because they lack intelligence or talent, but because their skills become less scarce. This shift is already visible. Job descriptions are changing, hiring requirements are evolving, and entire roles are being redesigned around automation, efficiency, and measurable output rather than hours worked. The future of work will not reward those who simply memorize information or follow fixed processes. It will reward those who know how to apply knowledge using intelligent tools. Artificial intelligence is not eliminating opportunity. It is redistributing it toward those who can adapt quickly and think in systems rather than tasks. For individuals, this means the safest position going forward will not be a specific job title or industry. It will be adaptability. The ability to learn new tools, adjust workflows, and remain relevant as technology evolves will matter more than any single credential. Artificial intelligence will continue to improve. The roles it touches today are only the beginning. Those who recognize this early have time to reposition themselves. Those who ignore it will find the window closing quietly. The question is no longer whether artificial intelligence will replace high-paying jobs. It already is. The only question left is who will learn to stay ahead of it.